What are 4 points that you should know and you should do before starting your business in United Arab Emirates? Hi, this is Khamis Al-Mazrou'i and I would like to share with you 4 important points that you should know in starting your business in United Arab Emirates as Limited Liability Company, LLC. First, you need to find and select a local sponsor, a UAE national for local business setup. The normal shareholding pattern for the limited liability company, which is LLC in UAE, is 51% for UAE local partner and 49% for expat or shareholders. Second, select the location that optimizes suitability, convenience, and cost. You need to set up your business in the area that most profitable for your business or most convenience to your business partner or clients in UAE. Third, confirm your visa eligibility and requirement. A visa permitting you for your employee to live in UAE is essential to run your business. The number of visa varies according to a variety of criteria such as size of the office, nature of your business, and the category of your employee and your business contract. Lastly, find and hire a registration agent to take you through the process of business setup. This is the best option and the best way. My company is helping business owners and investors to start their business in UAE. Let us help you to do the process of starting your business in UAE. We will help you from A to Z until getting your business ready and make it successful. We deliver more than your expectation. Contact us now in 00971 5018 21021 and we can give you a free 30 minutes consultation to help you to have a good and successful business in UAE. Contact us now.